at Muhammad Ali Jinnah University, Karachi, Pakistan. Today, I'm going to explain the human resource management functions. How many functions are there in the human resource management? This is the basic understanding of the human resource management functions. The individuals or the students should know what are the basic functions of human resource management are there. Uh, in the different books, there are different functions explained by different writers. But here I am telling you about the human resource functions more specifically. I am starting with the human resource management functions. Uh, uh, with the human resource management functions, uh, there are a number of human resource management functions, starting from the human resource management function, initial functions of human resource management. That is basically the HR planning. The human resource management functions start from the HR planning. The human resource planning is very important. Today, I am going to discuss only the functions. How many functions and what are the names of those functions? I am going to discuss. In the next lecture, I will explain you each of the human resource function for your understanding. But in the today lecture, I am only going to tell you the name of the human resource management functions. The 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 basic the number one functions of the human resource management is the HR planning, and the second function is the recruitment and selection. And the third function of human resource management is the when you recruit someone, you when you select someone for an organization, and the next thing for those implies are the training and development, another function which is included in the human resource management functions. And the fourth function is performance management. Performance management deal with the employee performance, uh, with the KPIs, with the evaluation of the individual employees who are working in the organization. Uh, in detail, I will tell you in the next lecture. And the fifth function of the human resource management is the compensation management. Compensation management. This is the fifth function of human resource management. And the sixth function of human resource management uh, is the employee health and safety. And the last function of human resource management is industrial industrial relations. And in the latest term, we also call it employee relations. Okay, so these are the few functions uh, including in the human resource management. Uh, I am repeating again about these functions. I'm taking the name of these functions again. HR planning, recruitment and selections, training and development, performance management, compensation management, employee health and employee health and safety, and industrial relation, and in the latest term we also call it employee relations. Thank you very much. These are the few functions only uh, I have included in this lectures. In the next lecture, you will understand, and I will explain you about the basic definitions and the descriptions of these human resource management functions. Thank you.